Shark Squad, Fan Vixen, Slim Shetty, here at Wrapsesh. This week we're doing a custom car reveal.
Custom car reveal.
It's a CPW.
CPW?
Wait, what does that stand for?
Custom car wrap. Custom partial wrap.
Custom partial wrap.
We're doing a CPW today.
CPW. So we wrapped a Camaro SS in a custom partial wrap design from Wrapsesh Tik Designs.
CPW.
It was kind of this cool lightning storm theme. Thor's hammer storm.
Well, it's Thor's hammer, but it's not only just Thor's hammer, it's the wooden one.
The second one.
With Groot's arm.
With Groot's arm.
Yeah.
Somebody vibe check. But
I'm probably wrong.
Pretty sure it's Ragnarok when Thor makes a new hammer and he uses Groot's arm for the base of it, and it's called Storm. So Thor's hammer Storm, AKA FYI, BTW. So we did the Storm hammer with this lightning, a really cool print on our Muto 1641 SR printer. We did our go-to thing that we always sell, which is metallic base print, and then we had some gloss reflective overlays on just like the lightning. So
just on the bolts of lightning.
So it's electrifying.
Yeah.
So really cool kind of cutout design going across the side of the car. And then we did another really unique thing that we've never done. We did a
two-tone
fashion film PPF.
with damascus STEK film. Sorry, I'm breaking too.
Too many words. Okay, so STEK Automotive, you guys remember them? They make really awesome clear bra and fashion film clear bra. So like this carbon fiber is STEK behind us.
Probably can't see it from there, but
Probably
it's
not,
nice.
but it's nice. So we actually used their black dyno damascus.
That one. That one.
Yeah, okay.
That one.
So STEK Dyno Damascus, really, really unique film that is meant to model the folded metal blades on knives.
Just it's folded steel.
It's a thing, you know? So it's a clear bra, it's not a vinyl, and we actually did a really cool...
Yeah. Oh, I was gonna say, it kind of resembles the oil slick as well.
Yeah, it does look like oil
because
slick.
it has iridescent in it.
It's fancy.
Yeah.
Very fancy. So we did a two-tone on the bumper, hood, roof, trunk, wing, and mirrors. Yeah. It was like a two-tone, so like from a body line.
It went from the bumper up and over the car.
Yeah.
But then on the hips, we did like a little design to where it like cut out.
It was very unique. It
Interesting.
was two things we had never really done before.
It looked really cool though when it was, like the front of the car was like super aggressive.
Yeah,
it was sick.
Super cool, so check it out. We hope you guys enjoy.
There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Go.
Thank you guys so much for watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed our Storm Camaro wrap. Number 1.
Stormaro.
The Stormaro.
The Storm.
No, it doesn't roll off the tongue.
Stormaro.
It doesn't roll off the
It
tongue.
does.
Okay.
You make
Anyways, if you guys want to get a custom partial wrap or any other things and stuff,
CPW.
hit us up at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. Make sure to check us out on our daily fun Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Wrapseshaz and Dyno Vixen Wraps. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you dig the Wrapsesh vibe, we'll see you next week.
We're gonna go this way.
Oh yeah.
Keep going.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Out of the frame.